Hi, this is Christos. I'm the founder and CEO of the MFS Trade School here in Orlando, Florida. And today I want to talk to you about a revolutionary machine that actually kills the coronavirus in the air on surfaces. It's an amazing machine. I'm going to show it to you really quick, just give you a little peek, and then I'm going to talk about it, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it and show you the different things that it can do. But basically, this machine was first, the technology of it was actually invented for the NASA space station. And this machine, what it does is it uses no chemicals. It doesn't use any kind of product. It actually takes the water and the oxygen from the air and passes it through these converters that actually create ionic particles in the air that float in the air. They sit on the surfaces, and just like when you cook popcorn, it goes everywhere. That's how this works. These ions go everywhere, and wherever there's viruses, bacteria, microbes in the air on the surface, it actually kills them on contact. It's just an amazing product. It's not harmful to people, pets, plants. You can have it in an office. Schools are starting to put it in the classrooms. You should have it in a restaurant, hotels, lobbies, everywhere really where you want to protect your loved ones and your business. You need to be able to have a machine like this. It covers a good 500 to 3,000 square feet. So depending on how big your area is, how many people are going to be in the room, you want to leave it for a little bit, a few hours before, let's say, or leave it overnight. But it's very, very quiet. It's only sits about 16, 17 inches by 12 inches. And it's very sleek, very cool looking. It actually looks like it should be up in space. It's got different speeds, but look how quiet it is. You can't even hear it. It has a setting for the two converters, 1 or 2, and we sell it here at our trade school at mfstradeschool.com, and you can get it by calling our office at 407-732-4625. Again, 407-732-4625. We sell it at a wholesale cost to our students, literally at cost. So it's an amazing product. You do not want to miss out on purchasing this. If you're not our student, we can still sell it to you. Give us a call. We'd love to do business with you. We have a lot of other products, and obviously nothing is going to take the place of cleaning and disinfecting. We have a lot of chemicals. We have a warehouse full of chemicals, products like the Analyte, products like Surface Guard, Last. We have so many products. We have all the equipment, sprayers, blowers, electrostatic machines, anything you pretty much need to combat coronavirus, we have it. So feel free to check us out on the website, www.mfstradeschool.com, or call us at 407-732-4625. We sell nationwide. Thanks so much for watching.